Summer Getaway, Unpacking the Phrase for English Learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of phrases with Summer Getaway. Whether you're packing your bags for a trip or just dreaming about one, understanding this phrase will add to your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge. So, let's get started. The phrase, Summer Getaway, combines two words, summer, the warmest season of the year, and getaway, which means a short holiday or escape from routine. Together, they describe a brief vacation or trip taken during the summer months. This could be a weekend at the beach, a few days in the mountains, or any short journey to relax and enjoy the summer. In this section, we'll explore how to use summer getaway in sentences. It's often used in casual conversation and travel discussions. For example, I'm planning a summer getaway to Hawaii. Do you have any recommendations for a perfect summer getaway? It's also common in advertising and travel brochures to entice people to explore new places during summer. Summer getaway isn't just about the trip. It's a part of Western culture. In many countries, especially where the climate varies greatly, summer is a cherished season. It's associated with freedom, relaxation, and family time. This phrase encapsulates the excitement and joy people feel about taking a break during these warm months. While summer getaway is popular, similar phrases include summer vacation, more commonly used for longer breaks, especially in schools. Summer retreat implies a more peaceful, secluded vacation. Summer trip, a more general term for any travel during summer. That's a wrap on our journey through the phrase, summer getaway. We hope this video has brightened your understanding and maybe even inspired your next summer adventure. Keep practicing, and remember, every new phrase is a step towards fluency. See you in our next video.